Today we are going to talk about the design and specs of the Galaxy Watch Active. Hi, this is Eric for smartwatchauthority.com and this is the deep dive series for the Galaxy Watch Active. The Galaxy Watch Active is a smaller version of the Galaxy Watch and it is marketed for active people, hence the name. It's a 40mm size case and weighs about 25 grams and it comes with 4 colors: the silver, rose gold, green, and I have the black. I like the black because it comes in matte and it looks slick, simple, and minimal. And the screen is made of Corning Gorilla Glass 3, so it is pretty much resistant to scratch. But if you are paranoid in breaking and scratching it, you can install a TPU cover to protect it. We made a video about that and we will put the link in the description. The actual display is 1.1 inch, which people with fat fingers may have a difficult time pinpointing the selection. It has 2 buttons on the side, which is a little discreet, which I like, keeping the circular shape of the watch. The lower button is the home button and the top one is the back button. It comes in 20mm strap and borrows the Apple Watch strap style, and the tip is hidden underneath, although this has a buckle to keep it in place. The strap feels durable, very pliable, and comfortable to wear. It doesn't feel stiff on your wrist. It looks good on the outside, but what is more important is the beef on the inside. The Galaxy Watch Active comes with a 1.1-inch OLED screen, a dual-core 1.15 GHz Cortex-A53, and has a 4GB storage and a 750 MB RAM. The battery is a 230 mAh and it's run by Tizen OS 4.0. At this point, it is priced at $179 and at the lowest price at Amazon is at $175. But at this price, this already has a Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, NFC, and GPS. Although it does not have LTE, but for me it's okay not having those. For me, it will just eat up the battery. If you find this video useful, please give this video a like, and if you are new to this channel, please click the subscribe button now. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to get notified with our future videos. If you have any questions about the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active, please don't hesitate to comment them down below. That's it for this video. See you in the next deep dive episode.